This video is here to challenge your brain with a famous puzzle. It's a classic story that has tested people's thinking for many years. Look at this man. He's sitting on the riverbank, deep in thought. Why?
Because he has a tricky question to solve. He must carry a tiger, a goat, and a bundle of grass across the river. But there's a problem. He can only take one of them at a time. If he leaves the tiger alone with the goat, the tiger will eat the goat. And if he leaves the goat alone with the goat will eat the grass. So he's sitting here, thinking carefully about what to do first. What about you? Had you already thought of a solution? Let's try to figure this out together.
All right, let's see what happens if he tries to take the grass across the river first. Look, he's rowing carefully, holding the bundle of grass in the boat. But wait, what's going on behind him?
On the riverbank, he left the tiger alone with the goat. That's a big mistake. If he does this, the tiger will have a perfect chance to eat the goat while he's away. So, taking the grass first is not a safe move. Do you see why this option doesn't work? Let's try to think of another plan. All right, let's try a different idea. This time, he decides to take the tiger across the river first. Look, he's rowing carefully with the tiger sitting in the boat. That must feel a little dangerous. But let's think for a moment. Who is he leaving behind on the riverbank? The goat and the grass. If he leaves them alone together, the goat will start munching on the grass right away. That's not good either. So, taking the tiger first isn't the right solution. Can you see why this plan doesn't work? Let's keep thinking. There has to be a better way. Alright, let's try a smarter idea this time. What if he takes the goat across the river first? Look carefully. He's rowing with the goat in the boat. Now, on the riverbank, he's leaving the tiger and the grass together. But this time, it's okay, because the tiger doesn't eat grass. Finally, a move where nothing gets eaten. This looks like a safe start. What do you think? Is this the right first step? All right. Now he's dropped the goat safely on the other side of the river. But he can't stop yet. He still has the tiger and the grass waiting on this bank. So he rows back alone without taking anything this time. Next, he decides to take the tiger across the river. Look, he's carefully guiding the boat with the tiger sitting quietly inside. Now he has the tiger on the far side with the goat. But wait, this isn't the final arrangement yet. Remember, if he leaves the tiger alone with the goat will be in big trouble. So he still needs to think carefully about what to do next. What would you do here? Let's watch and find out. Now, he has a problem to solve again. He can't leave the tiger and the goat alone on the far bank because the tiger would eat the goat. So he does something clever. He picks up the goat and brings it back across the river. This way, the tiger stays safely on the far side and the goat comes back to the starting bank. Smart thinking, right? What do you think he should carry next? All right, now he's back on the starting side with the goat. This time, he picks up the bundle of grass and takes it across the river. Look carefully. He leaves the grass on the far bank with the tiger. This is okay because the tiger doesn't care about eating grass. Now the goat is safely alone on the starting side and nothing is in danger. Smart move, don't you think? What should he do next? Now, everything is almost done. The tiger and the grass are safe together on the far side of the river, and the goat is waiting alone on the starting bank. So, he rows back across the river one last time, this time with an empty boat. Nothing is in danger while he's gone. Can you see how carefully he planned every move? And here it is, the final trip. He picks up the goat and carefully rows across the river one last time. Now, all three are safe on the far side. The tiger, the goat, and a bundle of grass. Nothing was eaten and the puzzle is solved perfectly. Was this what you expected? Well done for thinking it through with us. If you enjoyed this brain teaser, don't forget to subscribe for more puzzles and challenges.